Hello and welcome. This is Coach Caesar, founder of the Strength Center New Jersey. I'm here with Coach Jerry. Now, over the last 10 plus years, I've worked with a lot of moms who struggle to lose weight, get back into shape, and feel great about themselves. We've created a dedicated program just for our hardworking moms that's quick, easy, and effective. Coach Jerry, how do we make this happen for them?
Ladies, we make it very simple. You'll be training with us in a small group environment with moms just like yourself. You will be working out 3 days a week, 30 minutes a day to attain your goals. And keep in mind, with an exercise program designed by me and a one-on-one nutritional counseling with Coach C's, you're going to be guided and instructed along the way every step to attain your goals. Coach C's?
Yeah, like he said, we're here with you every step of the way. That's a big part of our program, motivation and accountability. You know, we know it's not easy, especially for moms. You ladies are busy, your schedule is insane, so we understand that, and we're gonna be with you every single step of the way. If this is something you're interested in, we're taking 20 ladies, and just fill out the information below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Look forward to working with you. Coach Caesar, Coach Jerry. Talk to you ladies soon.